magkakasakit sa papahinga, you need a reset. Like what I did for the last few weeks. This is it. You need a complete reset. Baka nadala mo yung kalungkutan. Hello. Guys, please to follow this one. Bakit ba ikaw? Can you back up to the wall? Why should I do that? Hello, sure. Ito is my Instagram. Everybody, if you guys have Instagram, please follow me there. Thank you, Pogi. Thank you, Pogi. Hi, Marco. Oh, ganun, QC. Dapat paghirapan. Di ba, Maris? Guys, please support me. You only need 5K to quit. Help me. Wala eh. Thank you. Basic. Wala. Thank you. Wala. I don't have heart na dito. You can scroll up na and check for some heart rate. Ay, nakuwawa mga admin talaga dito. Hindi pa ako pwede magdagdag. Yung sa IG, ito po. Strawberry siya. Nandiyan ba si David? Nandiyan ba si David? Baka naman pwede tayo makipiki kay Kuya Piki tayo kay Kuya Ants. Thank you! Ano mo maladyo? Then,